Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Model 3. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive and comes with a 1-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, electronic parking brake, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, front suspension type, strut, regenerative braking system, ambient lighting, power brakes, braking assist. Inside you'll find voice-activated navigation system, rear view camera, airbags, front knee, Wi-Fi hotspot compatible, audio radio, touch screen display, audio internet radio, tune-in, child safety locks, multifunction display, one-touch windows, 4 airbags, passenger occupant sensing deactivation.